Let us take a look at all the steps to open a Binance account. First of all, you need to have a Binance account. It's pretty easy to open. Go to the Binance website. You can use the link in the description. Then, to open an account, you need an email or a mobile phone to which a confirmation code will be sent. By the way, I recommend that you sign up for email first and then add your phone for more protection of your account. Go next. And there is a CAPTCHA against the bots. Okay, I choose dogs, then I enter the code from the email in my case, or from the phone. If you register by phone, then come up with your password, and that's it. The account is open. The next step is to go through verification. The verification process is typically swift, taking just a few minutes of your time. However, after completing the process, you'll need to patiently wait for approval. This usually occurs within hours, allowing you to proceed with full access to Binance's wide range of features and services. For Verify account, enter your full name, date of birth, and residential address. Ensure that the details you provide match the information on your identification document. Prepare your passport or a government-issued ID card. You will need to take a picture of both sides of your document, then take a selfie, and it's done. This is a standard process for any financial institution. Then I recommend to you set up two-factor authentication in your account. To do this, open the security section and you will see the line phone number. Click Manage to bind the phone. After that, a confirmation code will be sent your email. Then you will be able to enter your phone number and then enter the code that will come to your phone. That's it. I also recommend for everyone to install the Authenticator app. It is located also in the security section. You will see the Line Authenticator app here. Click Manage to set up here. When you click Enable, your QR code will appear, which must be scanned in the application, which can be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play. It is called Google Authenticator. After you scan this QR code, a 6-digit code will be updated in the application once a minute. This code can be used to confirm login or withdrawal. That's it. When all the protections are in place and you have been verified by the documents, you can fully use Binance. Binance can be considered as an alternative to the well-known banking application, but this is a whole new place for your 230 finances. And by the way, a lot of people don't know about it. In many countries it is possible to order the familiar Vis card from Binance and pay with cryptocurrency anything you want. One more thing I'd like to say: if you signed up using the link from the description, you have the opportunity to get a 300 bonus in the form of various vouchers. To do this, simply click on your profile icon. In the upper right corner you will see the Rewards Hub in the drop-down menu. This is where you will find all the rewards for signing up, but you will only have a week to complete some tasks and collect 9 rewards. Okay, the next question you might have is how to fund this account. It's possible to buy cryptocurrency with a bank card or through a bank deposit. If the amount is large and you don't want to pay commission on this platform, there are always options to deposit funds through P2P. Go to the appropriate section and you will see a lot of bank applications and people who make transfers, but here all transfers have to be done manually, and Binance acts as a guarantor. It is better to be guided here by reviews. Selling cryptocurrency and receiving money to your bank account or card is similar to a bank card. Direct transfer to a bank account or via P2P, or just order a Visa card from Binance and spend the cryptocurrency for your needs when the funds were put into the exchange. The fastest way to exchange them for crypto at the current exchange rate is conversion. Find the tab Binance Convert, and here you can convert your money, such as euros or dollars, into any cryptocurrency at market price, or place orders at the desired price on spot market. But you need at least a little understanding of 411 how the market works. That the order will be triggered when the market price is the same as in your order. You can also deposit cryptocurrency that you bought on another exchange or handed to you, for example, by a friend, but pay attention to the choice of network. When depositing cryptocurrency, it must be the same one in which the transfer is made, otherwise the transfer cryptocurrency for the deposit and network are selected. You will receive a personal unique wallet number. You can deposit crypto to Binance, then sell it and withdraw it to your bank account. After buying cryptocurrency or transferring to Binance, you will be able to see your balance in crypto and its value in dollars. You can find this information in dashboard of your account. It will also show the statistics of price changes in dollars over time, and if you bought cryptocurrency on exchange, but you want to keep it in your personal wallet, you can go to the wallet of the exchange and withdraw it. To do this, select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, click withdraw, and enter the address and network of the wallet to which you want to send and how much coins, but pay special attention to the choice of network when withdrawing cryptocurrency. That's all for this one. If you enjoyed, subscribe to the channel. Thanks, bye.